Okay, this is the 98 Camry, and you can tell this is the speed sensor that's on the transmission, and I'm going to try to do it. You can tell it's leaking from there, so I'm going to try to take that out and replace the O-ring since it works. Okay, so, alright, I'm going to try to clean this off a little bit and see what size that is. You can get, I got it, this is a little 2.2 liter, and I was able to get my hand through there. And so let's try to disconnect the electrical connection. Oh, that's nasty, huh? There we go. The electrical connection. Push tab. It's really nasty. That looks like maybe a 10. I'm going to go with a 10, or let's try a 10. Yeah, so it's a 10. So let's get. Oops, got the wrong socket. Okay, let's see. And there's just one bolt here holding it. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Okay, looks like it's coming out. I didn't break it. And the other thing is, depending on how it is, it might be really crusted or really tight. See, look at all that. Yeah, that's a lot of corrosion on that. Let's see. Let's give it a twist and see if it comes out. Nope, that's tight. So let's get a wrench on it. Okay, I've got a wrench. Okay, let's see if I can get a wrench on this and just try to crack it a little bit without breaking it. Because like I said, it works, so I don't want to have to buy a new one. These are quite expensive. So let's see if I have enough room from the top. Lots of people suggest that you do this from the bottom, but I'm hoping that I can just get it from the top here and just get a little twist on it without really breaking it too much. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, I got it free. There we go. You see that? That's free now. Okay. Moves at least. Okay. Oh yeah, that's on there good. I mean, it moves, but it's tight. Look at that, huh? Okay, let's see if I can get it under here with this tip and break it up. Oh, nope, that's not gonna happen. There we go, it's coming up. Oh yeah, there was some pressure in there, huh? Let's see. There it is. Okay, there it is. And this is the O-ring that I think is shot. I'm going to replace, but here it is. Here's the speed sensor. This one works. There was no issues with it. So I'm going to clean it up and try to replace that, okay? Okay, so I've got a pick tool. I'm going to carefully, if I can, carefully remove this underneath there without, and then just try to get it to come down. There we go. And then we're going to roll it down. Okay. It's still fairly pliable. I'm surprised, but it's very pliable. Okay. And so I've got one of these things. I'm going to try to match up the closest one I can. Alright, in the end, I use this Dorman kit of assorted ones because the metric thing I had didn't come with it, but this is the closest one I could find, so I'm going to put that on. And then I'm going to just spin it once to make sure it's all nice and even. There we go. And then I'm going to lube it with some of the same fluid that's in the crankcase, and then I'm going to drop it in there, and hope that should seal pretty well. All right, let's put it back in. I lubed the O-ring a little bit, and I'm going to drop this thing in here. Let's line up the bolt hole. There we go. And that's it right there. Then we put the bolt back on. Jeez, I just dropped it. That's no good. I cleaned the bolt up a little bit. Now reaching through all this stuff. And then let's line it up and see if we can find the started thread. There we go. And don't go crazy. This, it's a small bolt. So we'll clean this area off a little bit, and we'll see if there's any continual leak. But hopefully that took care of it. And then we got to figure out where. But I'm going to tighten it up. There we go. Okay, a little one like that. And then put the electrical connector back on. Oh. You know what? I think I'm going to clean that a little bit before I do that. But yeah, that's it. Put the electrical connector back on, and you're good to go, okay? So you can do it from the top without removing anything. It's a little difficult, but it's still doable, okay? Good luck on your project.